Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today's dish is traditional and a recipe which is passed down through generations. Sutri, also known as Sutriya, is a dish that speaks of patience and flavor. This recipe is very close to my heart as it has my mom's flavors. Let's look at the ingredients. Flat wheat pasta, 250 grams. Onions, 2. Mutton. Tomatoes, 250 grams. Lime, 1. Roasted dry coconut powder, 100 grams or 1 cup. Garam masala. For flat wheat pasta, I am using handmade fettuccine. Now for the base. Add oil to the pan. Sauté sliced onions until they are a deep golden brown. Add salt to taste. Add turmeric, 1 tbs. Once onions are little soft, then add 1 tbs ginger garlic paste. Add red chili powder as per your spice. Add garam masala, roasted dry coconut powder. Add tomatoes paste. Now nicely roast the masala until oil is separated. Add mutton, here I am using boiled one. Add lime juice. Reduce the heat and let it simmer. We are looking for the oil to start floating or separating at the edges. That's the sign that your masala is perfectly cooked. Add just enough water to submerge the meat. And cook for some time until you see this consistency. Then add your pasta in the sauce base. You can either boil your pasta and then add in the sauce, or you can directly add the uncooked pasta and let it cook in its own juices. Cover your lid and let the pasta soak in all the flavors. Take a look at that rich, tangy gravy and those perfectly soft pasta. To finish it, add some lime juice and a little kasuri methi. Top it with some fresh coriander. And that is my favorite way to make sutriya. Simple ingredients, a little bit of patience, and a whole lot of heart. This is the kind of ball that takes you back in time of childhood memories. Serve it steaming hot, maybe with a squeeze of lime, and enjoy every bite. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join our little cooking community. I'll see you very soon with another taste of home. Until then, happy cooking.